I know there's never been a man in the awful shape I'm in. I can't even spell my name, my head's in such a spin. Today I tried to eat a steak with a big old tablespoon. You got me chasing rabbits and walking on my hands and howling at the moon. Well, sugar, I took one look at you and it almost drove me mad. Then I even went and lost what little sense I had. Now I can't tell the day from night, I'm crazy as a loon. You got me chasing rabbits and pulling out my hair and howling at the moon. Some friends of mine asked me to go out on a hunting spree, 'cause there ain't a hound dog in this state that can hold a light to me. I ate 3 bones for dinner today, then tried to tree a raccoon. You got me chasing rabbits and scratching fleas and howling at the moon. I rode my horse to town today, at a gas pump we did pass. I pulled up and hollered, woo! I said, fill her up with gas. Well, the man picked up a monkey wrench and wham, he changed my tune. You got me chasing rabbits and spitting out teeth and howling at the moon. Well, I never thought in this old world a fool could fall so hard. But honey, baby, when I fell for you, the whole world must have jarred. I think I'd quit my doggish ways if you'd take me for your groom. You got me chasing rabbits and picking out rings and howling at the moon. Yeah, you got me chasing rabbits and picking out rings and howling at the moon.